Sunlight and weather can totally wreck your wood surfaces if you don't protect them with the right stuff, like UV-resistant sealers. So here's the thing, when you're dealing with wood outdoors, you gotta think about the sun's rays and rain messing it up. The best way to keep your deck or fence looking fresh is by applying a good UV-resistant sealer. Make sure to clean the surface first. That means scrubbing off dirt and old finish so the sealer sticks well. Don't just slap it on once and forget it. Reapply every year or two to keep that protection strong. Also, picking a sealer with waterproof qualities helps prevent moisture from causing stains and cracks. If you catch any discoloration early, sanding lightly before resealing can bring back the color. And always check for peeling or blistering because that means it's time to reseal again. Finally, avoid cheap sealers. They might save cash now, but won't last against harsh sun and weather. One of the biggest mistakes people make with wood discoloration from sunlight and weather is using regular sealers instead of UV-resistant ones, which leads to fading and cracking fast. Fix that by picking a sealer explicitly labeled as UV protective. Another problem is skipping surface prep, like not cleaning or sanding, so the sealer peels off quickly. Take time to prep the wood properly first. Lastly, folks often forget to reseal regularly, letting the protection wear off. Set reminders to reseal every year or two for lasting results. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners wanting to team up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff. It also hooks contractors up with steady work by connecting them with people needing reliable help on their projects.